How much enough is enough? Do you want to know who's more tough? You broke the glass on my face, turned away and go. It started to bleed in pain, but I didn't show. You shouted and growled, and the whole building heard. While making out, you cover my mouth so that the family members are not disturbed. Don't shout on Mama, your child said today. You were teaching him how politely you should talk to strangers yesterday. I'm slave to your mood swings and a maid for your household chores. You have a great respect for me in front of your friends and foes, but suddenly it vanishes away in closed doors. You have done masters in education, but you're still in playgroup when it comes to relationships and communication. Life will come to a full circle one day when you will regret what you say. Stop yourself before I go away. Else you're getting me back in. No way. Ask yourself, do I deserve this behavior? Ask yourself, do I deserve this behavior? Ask yourself, do I deserve this behavior? You should not be my villain, but my savior. The strength that you showed to me, better save it for the world. They will be the first one to run away when you will be on the hospital bed, girl. Respect begets respect. Love begets love. Together form a bond such that we fly in the sky like doves. Together we can fight the world, but fighting together will destroy our world.